Hey my cookies, today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious and easy candied yams. Let's cook. Of course, we have to peel our sweet potatoes or yams, and then we're going to slice them about this thickness, not too thin, not too thick. To reduce the baking time, I like to parboil these guys, so I'm just heating some water and adding them into a pot. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and allow them to boil for 4 minutes. After that, we're going to drain them and let them chill out in the colander while we work on the candy part. In that same pot, I melted some butter, some salted butter. Why? Because sweets need salt. Then you want to pour in some brown sugar and give it a stir to combine. Now let's add in some cinnamon. And lastly, some of that good pure vanilla from Mexico. Give it all a stir, and once it's combined completely, turn off the heat. Here I have my buttered baking dish. I'm just using a pie plate, and I'm going to pour in those yams or sweet potatoes. Going to make sure you spread it out and then pour that candied sauce evenly on top. And we're going to bake these in a 350-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes uncovered. And cookies, that's it. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so very much for watching. And you know what I gotta do. Until next time, be blessed.